Hey, beautiful souls. Today we are gonna check what does December month hold for you. Before you start up your video, I wanna thank each and every individual here watching my video. Thank you all those who have subscribed my channel and liked my videos, and all your comments are really beautiful. I love reading them. Okay, thank you, thanks a ton. Okay, so now let's start with the reading. So, pile 1 is Tiger Eye. Over here, it is the Queen, and the second one is Morsagate, and it has the Mother, and the third one is the Lover. Okay, so choose which one calls out to you: Tiger Eye, Morsagate, Rose Quartz, or the Queen, the Mother, or the Lover. Okay, yeah, I have given the time period in the description column below. You can pause the video, choose a pile, and let's check what does December have for you. So, beautiful people, beautiful souls, those who chose Tiger Eye pile 1, let's check what does December hold for you. So, as I'm seeing Queen of Pentacles and Prince of Pentacles here with 3 of Cups, I feel like this December there are chances you might have some kind of party, or you might hang out with your friends or go out. I'm getting this vibe that you're gonna have a lot of fun, good meal, I could say. But I feel like someone in your family might be a parent of yours, mother or father, is kind of disappointed. In December, there are chances you might have a fight with your one of your family member. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. But else, you're gonna have fun with your friends. There are chances you might also travel, but also I'm seeing that you have been working really hard for something, or people who are watching this is a general collective reading. Or if you are having all the thoughts or ideas but you are not sure about how to go by or what action should you take and stuff like that, I feel like over here the change and the pathway is here. So I feel like you are gonna act upon your plans, or maybe you'll get some way how to go by. You'll get an green signal. You are getting a green signal here to how to move forward. It might feel a little tough, or it might feel like it's slow and I don't know how to go by and stuff like that. But I am also seeing someone is gonna help you, someone is gonna support you, someone is gonna guide you, and yeah. So, but for some of you guys, I'm getting this vibe. There are chances a major shift might happen in your life, which will be kind of unexpected. You wouldn't even have thought about it, and yeah, a breakthrough, a change, a transformation, something like that, and it will be eye opening. And yes, I'm also getting something will be revealed to you, or some illusion might break off from your eyes, or break up from your life, and something like that. Some illusions are going to break through, and some revelations happening, a lot of transformation, and for some of you guys. But overall, I feel like this month is gonna be a roller coaster for you guys. Okay. mm, you are asked to be vigilant. Okay, pay attention to your surrounding. I feel like your guides, your spirit guides are around you, and you have been, they have been giving you some signs or something, but you aren't able to notice it. Something your angels or your spirit team want to tell you, but you are not getting the guidance. Okay, you're not getting the message. So it is like be vigilant, be attentive, be intuitive, be alert, whatever signs or synchronicities you get. And I also feel like you need to, let your guards down. If you really want to have fun, or even if an opportunity comes your way, you need to really let your guards down. You don't have to be scared or anxious or feel like how am I going to do it, because I feel like your spirit team is telling me that in this December something might happen or something might be, but you might just ignore, or you might just not feel like going about it. But as I'm seeing Prince of Pentacles here, I feel like you should let your guards down and move forward, because it is gonna be really beautiful. Okay. I also feel like money flowing in, money coming in for some of you guys. Okay. As I'm seeing Queen of Pentacles in the middle, I feel like money is gonna come, but you need to take care, because I feel like as I'm seeing these cards, I'm getting this vibe that there are chances someone might envy you. Someone is, someone is really kind of jealous about your money, and you need to take care. And I feel it might be a friend or a distant family member or a close family member, anyone, okay, who you already know really well and who you share about your life really well. Okay, they are kind of envious. Okay, you need to take care of that. And overall, it's a good month. You're gonna have fun, you might travel, you're gonna have good meal. One of you will fight with your mom or dad or any individual. They'll be disappointed, and some change might happen. But the advice for you is, you need to let your guards down. And yeah, that is it. And some revelations, some illusions might break, some good things might happen. This is what I'm seeing. Okay, so now let's check. mm, what is the advice for you? One more thing that I'm getting is, as I told you before, that you let your guards, you guards up. Like, you don't, you feel a little anxious when some change arrives, and it is really hard for you to get comfortable easily with some individual or some new thing happening in your life. So I feel like this December there are chances, this is something that I'm getting. There are chances you might boost up your confidence or some self-esteem. I feel like there will be a moment during this month. In this month, there will be a moment where you need to stand up for yourself. There will be a chance for you to, face people, maybe publicly or anything. Like, I'm getting this vision or the vibe. There are chances you need to, you will have to come up. It's like you will let your guards down. It's like you don't have any other go. You have to do it. And this will be a major change for you. I feel like a new life might birth in, yeah, obviously a new life inside you coming out. I'm seeing that. And it is gonna be successful, it is gonna be beautiful. I feel like your self-esteem is gonna rise high and you'll be powerful. Okay, I'm getting a lot of powerful energies. This December is gonna be really power banging for you guys, because this is great, because you're having fun, you're traveling, you're having great meal, you are standing up for yourself, a major change, some truth is being revealed, and you are standing up for yourself. So this December on a whole, totally badass. It's gonna be amazing. So let's check other cards of yours. So from the Wisdom Oracle deck, we have Thinker. So this Thinker says that you have all the resources that you need. You are an asset yourself. Your mind, your body, your soul is an asset. Whatever ideas or plans that you have, act upon it, or write it on a piece of paper. Make sure you just move your ideas. There are chances like you need to move. instead of just letting the creative fluids inside you, let it come out. Okay, so and also I'm getting this vibe, there are chances, see the card number is 44. So I feel like, okay, so I feel like there are chances you have a thing of overthinking stuff before starting anything new. You might assume that it might not work, or some imaginary troubles or obstacles you are creating. You are creating your own limitations in your mind, because abundance is present everywhere. The limitations are created in our mind. Okay, it's not real, it is imaginary, it is all illusions, and you will come out of that this December. I am getting this vibe. Okay, so I will just keep this here, and we'll check your other cards. So the next one you have got is reveal your true self. Yes, whatever plans or ideas you have, as you allow others to know the real you, you'll feel loved for who you truly are. You need to open up, guys. You need to open up, and I feel like you are gonna open up now. This December, there are chances you might open up, and you will feel amazing, you will feel new, you will feel like you are new you. And I feel like some good things are gonna happen for you, some breakthrough, as I said before, and it is really gonna be powerful. Okay, so this is great. We'll just keep this here. And the next card that I've got is confidence is your key to success. Obviously, confidence is your key to success. Come on. So this is like what I said before. Your self-esteem is gonna come up. Your self-confidence is gonna come up, because Tiger Eye mostly speaks about self-confidence. Okay, and you have chosen this crystal. So it is like true self-confidence is you are gonna be in godly power. Okay, and interestingly, what I am seeing is which god is protecting you, I asked this December, and you have got Mahadev Shiva. This is beautiful, because this totally goes with Tiger Eye. This totally goes with Tiger Eye, because Shiva is gonna help you to be powerful, to come into your power, confident that you are inside. You need to let that thing come out. Okay, so and it is already mentioned here, guys. Okay, detachment from life's unexpected changes. Okay, so unexpected changes is highlighted again. Okay, so it is beautiful. So he's gonna protect you, he is gonna be there for you, so make sure you worship him this December. He's gonna guide you and help you, and he's gonna give you that confidence, that power where you need in this December. There are chances that you might have to let your power out, and at that time call out to him, because he's gonna guide you. Okay, so this is beautiful. And the next one, if you have chosen the Queen is so beautiful. The Queen is the one who rises in her power, okay, in her divine power. She bees her true self and comes outside, rise in her own power, even if everything is egoistic. And you have already got Queen of Pentacles, right? You have already got Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so it is like the Queen, and it has lotus. So it's like you're gonna birth a new thing. Okay, birth a new life. That divine power, that gracefulness is gonna come out. And in between all those toxic things, now how lotus grows in a mud. Okay, so it's like in between all those toxicities, you're gonna come as a great lotus gracefully through transformation or some unexpected changes, which you'll adore. Okay, like the Queen almost symbolizes divine power. You need to own that shit that resides inside you. Okay, So, pile 1, this was your reading for December month. Let me know in the comment section below which if you like the video or not, and do share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, beautiful souls, those who have chosen pile 2 Mosagate. This is a beautiful crystals. Okay, first of all, pile 2. This is amazing. This is so beautiful. If you have been thinking what is gonna happen with your life and I am really scared about it, let that shit go. Because you know what you have to do. You know what you want to do. You know it inside your heart. Stop worrying, okay? Stop that shit. Ah, this is such a beautiful pile. Oh my god. So I feel like this December is gonna be eye-opening for you guys, because there are chances this December you're gonna come out. Come out as in not about your sexuality. I mean, maybe for some of you guys, you never know, because I just said it, right? So I feel like this December there are chances you might stand up for yourself, and some of you guys might even change your career path. I am seeing that, and I feel like some of you are stuck right now or doing something that you don't love, maybe, and you have been feeling that I am stuck and I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, and many people are having expectations from you, a lot of pressure I am seeing. But this December you're gonna release all that shit, because you don't fucking care, and this is gonna be real. This is gonna be amazing, because your guides are like, do it, do it, do it. Because as I'm seeing the mother here, it's like mother is a creation, okay? She's a creator. She is the connection between the physical realm and the spiritual realm, okay? So I feel you're gonna create something, you're gonna create which is residing inside you, that seed or that egg which wants to hatch out, which wants to come out, and it's really hard to come out. And but this December you're gonna like, fuck it, I'm done with all, I need to come out now. Okay, you maybe you know what you want to do, you are passionate about something, but due to some societal influence or your family influence, you are doing something else and you have no idea what the fuck are you doing, because you don't really want to do it. And the cards are like, you're gonna stand in your power this December, okay? And if you want any kind of assurance that you're doubting, maybe whatever talent or whatever passion that I want or whatever I want to do, which I want to try, but I'm unable to, what if I fail? Like my parents tell me, like the society tells me, what if I fail? So the universe is assuring you, fuck all, guys. Because I'm seeing King of Pentacles here, and amazing, a lot of money coming in, because we have sudden wealth which has in number 11 written on it. And I want to show you guys something. The card has 777 as well, right? 777, which also speaks about you are in the right path. So don't think, okay, don't feel like, you know, you have some responsibility or duty, or people have expectations from you that you need to fulfill. But you know, you need to connect to the inner child, you need to do what makes you happy. You are holding on to something, you want to do it, you're dreaming, but you're not doing it due to some other concerns or pressure or expectations. But I feel like you should do it. And in December I feel like maybe because we have mature women and the mother here, maybe your mother will come to you and tell you, give you a TED talk or something about your life, like what are you doing, what do you want to do, and I'm scared if you're taking this path, maybe you should have done something else, or maybe which path you're sticking into, the path that you're sticking into which you don't feel good about. Your mom is saying stick into that because that has a really great future, but she doesn't know that you are passionate about something. Okay, a lot of messages I'm getting. Take what resonates, as it's a collective general reading, because your mom is really concerned about your future. She doesn't care whatever you do, but she really wants you to be successful in whatever you're doing. She's like, she wants you to work hard and make efforts. And if you are stuck, if you're not doing anything, and if you have no idea what the fuck you need to do, cause the guides are telling me this December there is something which will birth inside you, and you'll feel like, okay, I want to do this and I am gonna do that shit, cause you're gonna do it, guys. This is so beautiful. Okay, so now let's check your other cards. Okay, we'll just keep this here. So the next one that you have got is from the Wisdom Oracle deck, and it says come to the edge. Okay, what does this card mean? Yeah, I'm telling you guys. Yes, come to the edge is asking you to fly. Don't feel like what if you fall down, what if whatever you want to do, okay, you are getting anxious or you're worried, what if I fall down, this card is generally asking you to take risk. Take that risk, because your guides are like, take that risk, whatever you want to do it. What if you fly high rather than get down or you fall down? So it's like, mm, this is so beautiful, guys, your pile. So to be honest, there are chances this December you might be anxious or worried or to take this step. You might feel it's a risky thing, but you need to do it, and you guys will do it, and I know. Okay, so the next card was from the Angel Crystals deck, and you have got unconventionality. Your unique qualities are an important part of your life purpose. It's okay to feel and be different from others. It's okay if you want to try new things. It's okay, and you can do it because you're really good into that. Don't try to fit in or be someone else, and you're not that. Okay, so this is great. This is beautiful, guys. We'll just keep this here. Whatever. So the next one is we have the energy is gaining momentum. So you have got the energy is gaining momentum. So this card says that it is a positive omen. Okay, it is indicating that you can create the reality you're dreaming of, though it will take some work and you are not quite there yet. You're not quite there yet, and it is gonna take a lot of hard work, yes, but it is gaining momentum. Okay, this is the time, like December is the time when your energies are gonna rise up and emotions are gonna build up. You are gonna take practical steps towards your goal. You are gonna take the step, you're gonna be in the right track. Okay, so this is a positive thing. It's like whatever you have been dreaming of, you're gonna take steps towards that this December. This is beautiful. And one more thing, I feel like I actually asked I asked the cards which god is gonna protect you this December, and I've got Brahma, god of creation. It's like the mother is the creator here. We have the mother, and you have I've already told there is something inside you which you want to birth in, or take risk. And Brahma surprisingly is the creator. I This is so beautiful. And you know what, this card holds all the god here, all the deities. It's like Brahma, Vishnu, Lakshmi, Shiva, like all the gods here. Okay, but one god is missing here, and you know who? I was only pulling one card for each pile, which god is protecting you, and I did not know this card was sticking out with the other one. I did not know until now, and I was surprised to see Ganesha coming here. This is so beautiful. This is very beautiful because he is the main remover of the obstacles, right? He is the one who removes obstacles, and in the new ventures he's gonna give a lot of success. So definitely you had to get this with the creator himself. So this is beautiful. It's like, oh my god, this December you are gonna be protected by both these. Feel like the whole god, the whole every ascended masters, and this is beautiful, guys. We have the mother, and she is the creator. You're gonna birth some new ideas. This is so beautiful, guys. I already love you all. So this December is gonna be amazing. Okay. So thank you, guys. Pile 2. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how you like the video. And yeah, thank you all. Hey, beautiful souls. If you chose this rose quartz, third pile. If you chose this rose quartz or the lava, this is beautiful. I feel like there are chances you might develop a new crush on someone this December. There are chances you might go on a date, or there are chances you might break up. Yes, I'm sorry, but yes, there are chances of you breaking up and loving your own self, filling your own cup. Okay. So that sounded nice, right? Okay, let's move on. What does December hold for you? So I feel like, as I'm seeing coffin here, some karmic some karmic cycle is ending here, I feel, and it's gonna be a shock for you guys, a kind of a shock, but I feel like it will happen for something good, because it can be a relationship or a career path or anything. Okay, some karmic cycle is ending. Okay, finished, dada, over. So it is kind of gonna be a little heartbroken because you were really comfortable, but your guides want you to move on. Come on, because that karmic cycle, that toxic thing was holding you back, holding you back, because you have a lot of capabilities and power to do more, but it was holding you. You weren't able to focus on yourself. Okay, you're not giving time for yourself. You are not questioning what you want to do in your life. So that is the reason that karmic cycle is gonna end. Okay, so after that, I am seeing you're gonna moan a little, but by the end of the December, you'll pull yourself back up. You'll show a lot of strength, and you'll pull yourself back up, and only after that, unexpected opportunity knocking your way. Some powerful change is gonna come. As I'm seeing 8 of Wands over here in the middle, I feel like something is gonna rush into your life, because right next to that card we have the Magician. Okay, so this is beautiful, guys. Look at this strength, 8 of Wands, and the Magician. So this month, this December, is gonna be really powerful for you guys, because there will be something ending, a new thing starting, and I'm feeling like a male member from your family or your friend is gonna help. It might be a big brother, it might be a younger brother, or your father who is a friend to you, who is like a friend to you, or might be a really good friend who you think of them as a brother. Okay, but mostly, yes, a male figure is highlighted, who is going to protect you, who is going to be there for you in the bad times of your life, who is going to be loyal towards you, who is going to guide you who is gonna show you the path, the right path, will offer you a hand. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. And an opportunity coming in this December, something ending, something new is coming. You might moan a little, but come back to you're gonna focus on yourself. You are gonna focus on yourself this December. Okay, this karmic cycle can be anything, guys. This is a general collective reading. It might be a relationship, it might be a career path, it might be anything. And also, I am sorry if you feel bad, but I'm getting a vision like maybe a male member in your family. Those who are watching quietly, it's a collective general reading, so not every individual. Okay, I am telling this to not every individual, but maybe someone might resonate. So this December there are I am seeing a male member in your family might be in a bad health or might fall ill, something like that. I can feel the vibe or see the vision. So you need to take care of your father, brother, uncle, grandfather, or anyone, because I'm seeing the vision. And yeah, anything else if I'm seeing? There are chances you might kind of isolate yourself this December, but your guides are asking you to go out, get out of your house. Obviously, it's a COVID situation running in, but still, if you're being invited for hanging out with your friends for a party or something, your guides are like, go out, have fun, you need it. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. And because I feel like maybe that hanging out or socializing might not be bad for you, it might even bring an opportunity for you. Okay, so which is gonna be unexpected, but it's gonna be really amazing. Okay, so the next thing is we have got from the Wisdom Oracle deck is, wait a minute, we have higher power. This is so beautiful. It has number 4 in it. It's also speaks about stability, but look at this card. This is beautiful. Look at this third eye opening, some key. It's like a lock. Okay, wait, is it visible? Okay, look, it is visible, right? Yeah. So your third eye chakra might open if you are in a spiritual path. Okay, illusions might break out, and you're gonna be in your power. It's like, after your karmic cycle will end, there are chances you might rise up in your power. You might, as we have strength card here already, so there are chances you might come out, you might rise up, and it's gonna be beautiful. This card might also kind of say that whatever is not serving your higher purpose is gonna break itself down. It's gonna be ended. As I said you right already, like karmic cycle is ending. Yes, so maybe this was not that connection, or that thing was not serving you for your higher purpose in the future, so it might just end. So this is what I'm getting, another message. And something else that I'm getting, maybe in the morning period after the karmic cycle ends, maybe some of you guys might, as I said before, you might isolate, but there are chances you might blame God or the universe for whatever happened, and you will be so much aggressive or in a rage, or maybe sad. Okay, maybe sad that why did this happen with me, why always this happens with me. It's okay, hon, I understand, it's fine, but it was supposed to happen that way, because it was not serving your higher purpose. And at that particular moment, I feel like, as I'm seeing the higher power card, at that particular moment when you are gonna go against the deities, your spirit team, your angels, ancestors, God, ascended masters, everyone, at that particular moment you are letting yourself go into the negativity. So you need to make sure at that particular moment you need to believe in the universe, stay strong in your faith that things happen the way it was supposed to be, and it's fine if it has happened, because I trust the universe, I trust the God. You need to connect, you need to pray, you need to, you know, stay strong at that time, connect to the divine at that particular moment. Maybe it was not good for your soul, so it's fine if it has ended. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Okay, I'm getting this vision or something as I'm seeing message of concern here. I feel like some of you guys might get some news about your ex getting married or being engaged, or something about your ex, maybe in a new relationship or something, and you will feel dead even if you are not with them. But after seeing something or after getting to know something, there are chances you might mourn. So this is like all over again, the same thing happening. Okay, so you need to take care. But I feel like a karmic cycle is gonna end. You guys need to heal, you guys need to understand, maybe it did not serve you, maybe, yeah, look, the lover, I'm seeing this card here, and I feel like bring love into the situation. It's fine if it happened that way. Okay, it's fine if something ended, because you need to bring love into the situation. It is a time for healing instead of feeling bad or aggressive or rage. Okay, so yeah, and then we have expect powerful change. Yes, definitely expect powerful change, because you are, because this is gonna happen. Okay, and I am really sorry if you might feel bad, but it's for your own good, because I'm seeing the magician here, and the magician card is such a powerful card, having all the resources and being effective and efficient, and creating something new in their life, and you hold that capabilities inside you, and an opportunity is coming only if you let that thing release. You need to release that shit. So the next one you have is own your divine power. Replace codependent people pleasing with assertiveness and empowerment. You don't need anyone to help you or support you or cry with you. You are good. You are enough. You can do it. You can pull yourself back up. You have that strength. You have that. Okay, I saw 444 now as I was shooting this video. So it is great. We have higher power, and then we have own your divine power. You are extremely powerful, and your spirit team is with you, and you can do it. Okay, let's be here. And interestingly, guys, I don't know why did this happen. I only I I was asked. Actually, I pulled only one card from the gods and goddesses deck for each pile, but I felt like pulling two. But I did not know until now that this was stuck with Jagannath, and it is Balram. Wow. So, bros for life, bro. Okay, brothers for life or whatever. But as I said before, right? Like maybe a brother or someone is gonna help you, is gonna guide you or something. And over here it's written protection and loyalty, brotherly love and service, spiritual and moral strength, freedom from the evils of intoxication. Wow. So you got it right. I don't have to explain this, and this is beautiful because we have Jagannath as well. Okay, Lord of the universe is with you. The universe is making it happen. You need to trust the universe, guys. Whatever is happening in your life, it is, it is like a confirmation from the universe that this December is really gonna be hard, but I am with you. Do not worry, don't go against me. I am offering you a hand. Come with me and I'll guide you. Okay, it was supposed to happen. And then we have worldly power, devotion to Krishna, freedom from the cycle of birth and death. Also, reading freedom from the cycle of birth and death, I also feel like freedom from a karmic cycle, perfection of the arts in the service of God. So, this is beautiful, guys. So, another card that I pulled was Kalima, goddess of destruction. She is really, really powerful, and we have already got the strength card here. So you have got purification of the subtle force centers. Okay. And ascension of the divine kundalini energy, happiness and fulfillment in the world, divine ecstasy of the transcendent reality. Okay, I'm also getting, as I'm seeing Kalima kundalini energy, I feel like some of you guys who are watching this video might be connected to the universe, or might be a light worker, or might be in a twin flame journey, or might be into spirituality. So it is like, for those people who are into spirituality, I have this message that you are gonna ascend this December. A lot of light codes are gonna get downloaded through your crown chakra, and we have already got higher power and own your divine power, right? So it's like an eclipse is coming now, and I feel like a lot of codes, downloads happening through your crown chakra, and ascending symptoms might happen, and you need to stay strong in that particular moment. Make sure make sure you own your divine power and be in your strength, and be courageous. There might be negative forces, but you need to heal your wounds. Residual healing is highlighted here, but it is great, like everything is fine. Okay, so this was the message for pile 3. Okay, and wait a minute, as I said you guys before that if you have chosen this pile looking at the archetype deck, choosing this the Lovers card, this is beautiful, right? I know this is beautiful. Okay, so the Lovers, maybe this card was symbolizing you to love yourself more. Maybe the love that you are finding outside is residing in you, so it's okay. For some of you guys who are in a TF journey, it might symbolize that inner union is highlighted, but normally, generally, some of you guys might go on a date or have a crush on someone, or it is a general collective reading. I have a lot of messages, take what resonates, okay guys. Or with the rose cards and the Lover card, I feel like you need to take care of yourself and pay attention to yourself, love yourself, treat yourself. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Okay, so pile 3, this was your beautiful reading, and thank you so much guys. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. And yeah, bye, thank you all.